We know that great achievements require relentless effort. If R&D is the spark of wisdom, then manufacturing is the fruit of that wisdom. QGM Machine integrates the professional technology accumulation of Germany's Zenith, relying on the German design and Chinese manufacturing model. We strive for perfection in specialized machine manufacturing, paying meticulous attention to every detail from the start to the final touches. Only by pursuing excellence can we create quality. To enhance the market competitiveness of your expertise, QGM's comprehensive pre-sales and sales and after-sales support will provide you with the utmost assistance. To better cooperate with our customers, we develop bricks that are more competitive in the market. We conduct experimental research on various professional materials. From equipment installation and debugging to systematic training for staff, QGM believes that we offer you not just professional equipment, but also an exceptional and efficient systematic production capacity and market competitiveness. We will regularly provide product upgrades and actively conduct customer follow-ups. We have also launched an intelligent cloud service platform to serve QGM customers worldwide promptly and seamlessly. Since 1979, the people of QGM have been continuously exploring and innovating on this path of integrated solutions.